Hello, trivia lovers. Today we will test your knowledge. You will have 5 seconds for each question. Let's begin.
First question. Which planet has the most moons? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Mars. D. Saturn. Correct answer. D. Saturn. Second question. Which planet rains diamonds? A. Mars. B. Neptune. C. Earth. D. Venus. Correct answer. B. Neptune. Third question. Father of AI. A. Alan Turing. B. John McCarthy. C. Elon Musk. D. Bill Gates. Correct answer. B. John McCarthy. Fourth question. Which is the largest bone in the human body? A. Skull. B. Spine. C. Femur. D. Pelvis. Correct. Answer C. Femur.
I can transform your photos into high-quality AI videos, create engaging trivia quizzes, and write complete AI voiceover script. I produce short-form and long-form content for YouTube Shorts, YouTube long videos, Instagram TikTok. Perfect for motivation videos, quiz content, faceless channels, and viral social media growth. Just share your idea. I'll handle everything from visuals to script and voice.